Fastest time, 2 under the 100s. We've got Us of Ukraine, Shribar of the US, Lena Teunissen of the Netherlands. Next paddler down, Paris Olympian.
You can see the orange design on her boat, proudly representing the Netherlands, which conveniently matches with the event branding on her body number.
Fast first section, 2-second penalties just dropped us slightly down, but certainly in touch here. At the moment, 6.12 seconds in arrears of the leading time as a qualifying position. Xi Ting of China has got that last of the spots so far. 7 athletes already securing their spot in the semi-final. Losing a little bit more time. Well, Teunissen heads towards the finish line. And the 104s would be enough. 105 starts to get a little tight. 107, 14th. Lost time at the bottom of the course.